Oh, it's the 24-hour Revlon color stay. My color is in, where the heck is it? In 310 warm golden. Just gonna take a little and just start buffing that into your face. Sorry if I make any ugly faces. It's just the way of life when you're doing your makeup. I just got some Scotch tape. Doesn't really matter what kind of tape. And you're just gonna, oh, this is huge. Ugh. Okay, so you're gonna get that. You're gonna place it about right there. Doesn't really like matter if it's too long, whatever. You're just there. That way, at the end, when you take it off, it's gonna be like clean, like no messiness or sloppiness or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our palette. I think I'm gonna go urban. Yeah, we're gonna take this color. We're going to get a like kind of just fluffy rounded dome brush and just whoa. You're just gonna start from the outer corner and just feather it in to your crease and just keep this color in your crease. Like if you were to, you know, kind of poke your eyeball right in the where it sinks in, that's your crease. Keep it in there and just bring it in a windshield, so you're just moving back and forth, back and forth. So far you've got the purple. We're gonna go ahead with the same brush, doesn't really matter to me, this color, and you're gonna bring it above that purple color just slightly. You don't want to go out too crazy. And then I'm gonna go in now with a clean brush, clean soft brush. You're gonna go on the edge of what you just did and just feather it out, you know, just to soften that up at the edge. So there it is. So you blended it out. And urban, which is that purpley, so this one and this one. And I'm gonna deepen that crease a little bit more. So remember, it creases right here, so it gives it a really cool navy blue color. Like once you combine it, it's actually really cool. You see that? And then remember, just keep it in the crease and just feather it in, and then try to keep it in the outer V, this color, a little bit in the crease, like about halfway right here, and kind of make a V on the outside, if you know what I mean. Going back in with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend those colors out. Created. So that is that. Now I want to go in for my highlighter color for my lid. I want to go in with like a crazy green, this green color. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine Freak, which is this color right here, and what is this? Thrash. So that's what I'll be doing right there. And for that, I want to go in with a flat brush like this so that I could pack on. So like, don't use something like this because it's not going to work as well as, you know, packing it on, like patting, not brushing. I'll brush a little bit, but mostly I'll just be packing it in like that. I'm going to go ahead and see how this goes. So we're packing that in, and as you can see, it's really freaking bright and pigmented, but I mean, it's okay. It doesn't bother me because I have my trusty tape protecting my face. So you're just keeping that strictly on your lid. So that's what that looks like. One more time, I want to see like how the green kind of took over my crease a little bit. We'll go back in with Urban, which is this color. And I want to go in with yeah, just go in with Urban for right now. See how that looks. So we're darkening it up again. I'm gonna go ahead and to blend out that purple a little bit more and give it a little more of a gradient effect, I'm gonna go in with Jilted and Savage. We're almost done with this. We're just gonna take our fluffy, clean brush and just blend it out. And it's okay if it gets a little high up there. And since we have this tape here, it kind of gives you that advantage as far as putting your eyeliner on, which is another way you could be doing your eyeliner. Like you could just put a piece of tape right there and use that as your guide. You'll see what I mean. Just watch. So just like if you were doing it every other day, you take that little point there at the end of your eye right there and you flick it up. Only difference is you could be pretty messy and your lash line and create your little triangle. Hope y'all can see that. So now fill it in. Created. So you're just, and I'm making the eyeliner just a bit more dramatic than I did in my first video. After all, that was a everyday look. This is not. And there you have it. Perfect eyeliner, perfect eyeshadow. Go ahead and work on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Urban and Jilted together, so the purple and pink at the bottom. And if this would just focus, we're gonna go ahead and halfway color my lower lash line, just half. Chaos and Gonzo, so the two blues right here. You're gonna take a little bit. Ooh. For both. I don't want it too much. You're going to put the rest on what's left on your lash line, like any where there's not. Telescopic Carbon Black mascara to put mascara on our bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go in with a NYX pigment. It's called Ultra Pearl Mania. I'm not sure if that's the color. I think it is. I actually just can go in with my finger and apply it like that. Now I'm gonna take just any eyelash glue. I would suggest the one that dries clear. That way any mistakes are just not as noticeable. The eyelashes I'm using are by Kiss. Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Lean concealer. I'm using the color in 20 Sand. Blending out all of that concealer. make sure you blend it into your foundation. Patting it. Don't get too close to your lash line this time because we have eyeshadow down there. Awesome, awesome eyeshadow. So your little dome brush, little tiny brush, so that it's easier to get in there. And you're just going to smudge it out once more so that it looks, you know, you can't really tell that the concealer was under there. So just like that. And you're gonna sweep it up a little bit. See? So I'm gonna go in with my NYC bronzer. It's a matte bronzer. It's really good and it's really affordable. I got it at, well, mine at HEB. I'm sure you can get it at Walmart or something like that. We're just bronzing, so we're just giving our face like that bronzy look. So we're just gonna keep it on the edges of our face. I don't want to add any more warmth to my face, so I'm just gonna go in with this cool contour color. Take a flat brush like this, tap it in just slightly, and focus it mainly like in your right under your cheekbone, just slightly. You're blending it out. Make sure it doesn't look like a line, like, no. Take down, don't add any more product, just take whatever's on your brush, bring it down your nose. I'm going in with this matte Revlon lipstick in the color 665 Lust or Blush. I'm just gonna go, I do have these rhinestones. They are like fluorescent rhinestones. The way I'm gonna stick them on is grab the same clear eyelash glue that I use for my eyelashes. I'm putting a little teensy bit like that, and I'm just gonna start like that. Alright guys, well this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye.